How to unlock Freyna's character in First Descendant. In this video, I will show you how can you easily unlock the character Freyna in First Descendant game application. So without any delay, let's get into it. The character Freyna in First Descendant is the latest looter shooter to hit the market, and while the server have been rough since launch, the overall game has been a blast. Now, one aspect that the player will want to dive into right away is unlocking the Descendant's Freyna character. In order to unlock the character Freyna in First Descendant, you need to unlock certain materials. The material which we require to unlock the character are Freyna Enhanced Cell, which we will be able to find in the shelter. Next is Freyna Stabilizer, which we will be able to find in the location Runes path. After that, we have the Spiral Catalyst of Freyna, which we will be able to find in Runes Underground Interest. Lastly, we have the Freyna code, which we will be able to find in Sterile Land. So that's it. By unlocking all these materials, you will be able to unlock the character Freyna in First Descendant. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.